April is Autism Awareness Month. One local health expert says in Jamaica, more milder cases of the condition are detected now when compared to previous times. Shamela Pullen tells us more in the health report.
Autism is a developmental condition that usually affects how a child communicates and behaves. The condition affects 1 in every 54 children, meaning in Jamaica, at least 650 children with autism are born each year.
Now, it affects boys more than girls. So for every 1 girl that's diagnosed with autism, there are 4 boys. So it affects 1 in every 42 boys, which means there's 1 boy in every other class in school. And that's a lot, right? And it affects 1 in 144 girls. So probably 1 girl in every school year.
Professor Maureen Sams-Vaughan is a professor in child health, child development and behavior at the University of the West Indies, UWI. Professor Sams-Vaughan says recognizing the signs of autism early is critical.
So what parents of young children may notice first is that the child may not speak as they are expected to. They may not be saying mommy and daddy specifically to refer to their parents by the time they get to a year, or they may not be putting 2 words together by the time they get to 18 months. Some children never speak. Some children's speech is delayed, and some children start speaking and then stop.
She says another major concern is how these children interact with others and their hypersensitivities to taste and sounds.
They cover their ears when there's loud noises, or they run away or scream. Noises that wouldn't bother anyone else, the blender, the mixer, the shears at the barber, loud singing in church. They don't like things to change. They like order. So they like putting things in lines or stacks or keeping things just the way it is. And they get upset if things change.
The cause of autism is unknown, but genetics and environmental factors are believed to be contributing factors.
We do know that if you are born premature or of low birth weight, you're at higher risk. Doesn't mean you must get it if you're premature, but you're just at higher risk. Also, we know that if you have children when you're older, an older mother, an older father, over the age of 35, it increases your risk of having a child with autism.
Professor Sams-Vaughan is calling on parents and guardians to get their child checked by a medical doctor if they notice any early signs of autism. She says while the condition cannot be prevented or cured, speech therapy, behavior therapy, and occupational therapy can help improve the life of the individual. With her health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.